and I'm going to tell you about the solar system, including all the planets. Oh, Mercury, the smallest planet, you see. You can't possibly live on me. My atmosphere is too thin and I orbit too fast. My days are long. I'm closer to the sun, and that's Mercury done. I'm also a ball of iron. That's Mercury done though. Bye. Yo, I'm Venus. My atmosphere is super duper hot. It takes 243 days for me to rotate. I'm the same size as the Earth, you know. And that's Venus done. Yo, I'm Earth, you won't live on me. I'm covered in water, can't you see? Only half of you are covered in H2O, and this is the moon, my satellite. He'll be back soon. Hi, I'm Mars and red and rocky. Red and rocky and red rocky. I have 2 moons. One here, one there. I have the tallest mountain in the solar system. It used to be a volcano, but now it's just a mountain. It's called Olympus Mons. I'm the 4th planet from the sun, and that's me done. You are Jupiter with my 79 moon crew. I'm the biggest planet, even bigger than you. The spot on my head is a massive storm. I'm covered in clouds. I'm setting up my pretty rings. They're made of ice, just rocks and other things. You know, I'm really fun. I'm the 6th planet from the sun, and that's me done. Hi guys, I'm Uranus, the 1st planet you spied. I'm the 7th one from the sun, and the funny thing, I'm lying on the side. I'm Neptune, and I'm the windiest planet around. I have supersonic winds that are faster than sounds. And a dark vortex that may go away soon. I'm a nice giant with 14 moons. Let's Space Rapper Hadley, showing you the solar system. I've showed you them all, so now I'm done.